In this lecture, you are going to learn about variables. So, what is a variable? A variable is like a container where you can store various data types in Python. For instance, this doesn't have any variable in it. It has already been executed. You have already learned about that, how to make a simple hello world or hello Python program and how to execute it. So, you can see that this prints this hello Python is a string data type, but we will call over that later. Variable is used to keep the code more organized. Let me create a variable here. My name. The variable name is my name. So if you create a variable called my name and store your name in this. So I said earlier that variables are like empty containers or containers. You can store values in variable. So I've stored your name. This is a string data type, so I am putting double quotes here and press enter. It has taken the value. Now let's create another variable. Now let me talk about rules. So you can't put numbers in the starting of your variable name. So you can put here some value, anything random. Now put double quotes and see. Syntax error. You can put numbers in between or in the end of your variable name, and your variable name should start with a small letter, and your variable name should not be start with any special character or any number. It will be equal to hi. Now it has stored hi because it is in simple format. You can also use underscores before putting variable name, like hello is a variable and I'm putting underscore. So it's not underscore. Hello and hi. Hit enter. It has taken the value. So this is the basic rule of creating variable names. Now you have successfully learned how to create a variable and insert value or contain or store the value in the variable. Now let's know how to call the value that is stored in your variable. Let me call this variable. Yeah, I want to print this, your name. So let me type print, not double quotes this time. This time I'm writing my name. My name and hit enter. So now you know how to create a variable and store the value in variable, and you also know how to call this. So thank you for today. I am coming with a new video tomorrow. That video will be on numbers. So thank you. If you want to be my student, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. This will enable you to know when I uploaded my new video and you never miss any update from my channel. Thank you.